4 பேஜ் தான் இருக்கும்.
4 தானா?
பாக்குறேன்.
இது 1, இது 2 வெயிட்டிங் பீரியட் ஆக்டிவ், இது 3 வெயிட்டிங் பீரியட் இஸ் ஓவர் 4
அவ்வளவுதான்.
இது 5 அவ்வளவுதானா?
அவ்வளவுதான். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்பர் போட்டுமா 1 2 3.
Thanks for calling. This is Sandy. How may I help you today?
Hi, my name is James. I'm calling for doctor office and I would like to check a claim status for a patient.
Which doctor's office you are calling for?
I'm calling for General Orthopedic Associate.
And what is your telephone number?
My telephone number is 1800-999-9999.
What is the patient's social security number?
The social security number is 123-456-789.
Could you please hold for a moment? I will pull up the patient's record.
Yes, please.
What is the patient name and date of birth?
The patient name is Linda Farr and the date of birth is 26 November 1995.
What is the date of service you are checking for?
The date of service is 4/10/2020.
And what is the bill amount on this claim?
The bill amount is $1,500 even.
Could you please hold for a moment? I will search for the claim.
Yes, Sandy, take your time.
Thanks for being on hold, James. Claim was denied for pre-existing condition or not covered.
Okay, and is there any waiting period, Sandy?
Yes, the waiting period is 15 days.
Okay, and what is the start and end date of waiting period?
Yes, it is from April 1 of 2020 to April 15 of 2020.
Okay, Sandy, could you please send the EOB to a fax number?
Yes, what is the fax number?
Yeah, it is 877-842-3210 and you can put attention as my name James.
Okay, the fax request has been submitted. It will receive within a day.
Okay, and thanks Sandy, and may I get the claim number?
Yes, the claim number is P458.
Okay, and what is the call reference number, Sandy?
Yes, it's my name and today's date.
Thank you so much for your information and it's nice talking to you. You have a nice day, Sandy.
It's pleasure talking to you, James. You have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Could you please hold for a moment? I will search for the claim.
Yes, Sandy, take your time.
Thanks for being on hold, James. Claim was denied for pre-existing condition or not covered.
Okay, Sandy, is there any waiting period?
Yes, the waiting period is 15 days.
And what is the start and end date for waiting period?
Yeah, it is from 3/20 of 2020 to 4/5 of 2020.
Sandy, it shows the waiting period is already over. Could you please send this back for reprocess?
Yes, James, you're right. So let me send this back for review and please be on hold.
Yes, Sandy, take your own time.
Thanks for being on hold, James. I really appreciate your patience. The claim was sent back for reprocess.
Thanks, Sandy, and what is the reprocessing time?
Yes, it is 15 business days from today.
Thanks, Sandy, and may I get the claim number?
Yes, the claim number is P458.
And what is the call reference number, Sandy?
Yes, James, it's my name and today's date.
Thank you so much for your information. It's nice talking to you and you have a nice day, Sandy.
It's pleasure talking to you, James. You have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.